Hello there, welcome to our channel Logging Ups again. Hope you're doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to play the Ludo game on your Messenger app. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Now to play the Ludo game on your Messenger with your Facebook friends, let's open up our Messenger app first. And after opening your Messenger app, you can see the search bar on the top of your screen just below your profile picture icon. Tap on the search bar and type in Ludo Club like this, and you can see the Ludo Club game board over here, and it has a play button at the right side of its name, and tap on play, and let's add it to the home screen also. And you can see we are on the Ludo Club over here, so let's call it our daily bonus. And now to play your Ludo Club, either you can play with internationally by tapping on the play now, or you can invite your friends to play Ludo on the Ludo Club. You can see the friends option available over here. Tap on friends, and let's let the ad finish. Let's close it, and after that you can see either to play a classic or a rush mode. So if you want to play a game in a rush, tap on rush, or if you want to go through a classic game, tap on classic. For us it will be the classic. And after that, on this interface you will be able to invite whomever you want to play Ludo with on your Messenger. Similarly, let's add this one, and you can see we are inviting over them, and let's resume the game. And so guys, this is how you play your Ludo game on your Messenger. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.